Okay, so here in Mari, we want to export this texture out into Renderman for Solaris, and this is the new way to do it. So what I'm gonna do here is to go to my export manager, and as you can see here, I already have the specular roughness here defined. The file options here is what we wanna look at. I'm gonna double click and say Renderman. So this will generate Renderman compatible EXRs for my case here. So it's important I have EXR and this Renderman option. So this is the export route path where my EXRs will be exported to. Once this one has gone through, it's gonna overwrite them. We can jump into Renderman 27.3. So this is important. It needs to be Renderman 27.3 in Solaris for this to work. Okay, so here in Solaris, Renderman 27.3, that's important. I'm gonna go in here to my material library, my container here for my shader, and here I've set up here a llama surface and a llama conductor. I have not yet inserted my specular roughness map, so let's browse for it where I saved it out to. So here in this location, I'm gonna go to UDIM here on the drop down and say specular roughness UDIM, and you can see here it's still an EXR image, so I have not pre-converted this one. It's still Renderman EXR straight out from Mari, and see here what happens when I now hook this one up. So we have now loaded it, and just gonna take the result R into the roughness here, and there you go. It renders immediately straight out from Mari, and yeah, that's really good. So now we can start to dev our materials and textures more straightforward. Don't have to wait for another process before we start to render. We can just export out straight from Mari and render it in Houdini now. This is something that I have been waiting for a long time, and I'm really happy to see this one.